All right. Hi, this is Jacob of Jacob LE Video Production, and in this tutorial I have some videos that I have shot on my phone that I want to get on my computer to edit them. So I'm going to show you an easy way to get them from your iPhone onto your Mac. It's pretty straightforward. So first I'm going to take a lightning cable and just connect my phone to that. And now I'm going to search image capture, and this will pop up. So I can see my device, my iPhone, and now I'm just going to go through and select all the footage that I shot today. And here you want to see, I'm choosing where I want to import it. I'm going to do a new folder for February 4th. So you can choose an existing one or do a new folder like I just showed you, and just do import all. And that'll take a minute. It's pretty easy and straightforward, and you should be able to see that right where I saved it. You'll have to give it some time, but those are importing right now in MP4 format. So I could open up a program like Final Cut and import them right away and start editing them. And I will have a card I already did a video on getting them from your computer back onto your phone. You have to do this if you're posting to Instagram. So this is a quick one, but I did get this question, and it's important to know if you're looking to edit something, how you actually get them from your phone to your computer. You can text them, but that takes way too long. It could potentially use data, depending if you're connected to Wi-Fi or not. So this is the easiest way I've found to do it. It doesn't take long at all. Already, they're almost done importing, and I can start editing these right away. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Jacob of Jacob LE Video Production. I will see you in the next video.